Said to you that in today's class we will start a new chapter, and the chapter name is basically operators in Java. So I said basically this picture is not clear. This is blur because my camera was there was some problem with my camera. So what are operators in Java? Basically, I said to you operators are the symbols in Java. What are operators? Operators are symbols in Java which works on operand. So so what are operand and operator? I said something. I explained something about the previously. And what are operand? Like suppose in mathematics, if you add 2 plus 3, then 2 and 3 are operand, and plus are called operators. So how many types of operators are in Java? There are three types. Basically, there are three types of operator: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Is it clear to you, students? Is it clear to you? Okay, so unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. There are three types of operator: unary, binary, and ternary. So by the name, it suggests to you unary means the operator which works on single operand. Listen very carefully. The operator which works on single operand is called unary operator. So sir, you will ask that which type of operator are unary, like plus plus, minus minus. This is unary. Increment operator, decrement operator, plus minus. So these comes to the unary operator. I will discuss it. Don't worry when I will come to the unary operator. So first I will going to discuss about the binary operator. So students, as you know, that the binary operators, the name suggests to you what are binary operator. The binary operator works on two operand. By the name binary means two. So the operator which works on two operand is called binary operator. The operator which works on two operand is called binary operator. So let me discuss first one, that are arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic operator? So what are arithmetic operators? Students, you know, in you have studied in mathematics, the all operators which you have studied in mathematics, this all comes to here. So if I talk about the addition, so how you will add two numbers? Suppose my variable are x and y, so you will add the variables x plus y. So why you subtract y from x? You will subtract x minus y. How you will multiply x multiply y? Division, x division y. That means these symbols are used for division. This one, and this symbols is called. Who can tell me what this symbols is called? Forward slash or backward slash? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me what it is called? Forward slash or back? This this one. I made it. This one slash. But sir, I told to you that there are two slash, this one slash and this one slash. So name of this slash is, and name of this slash. This one is forward or backward? This is backward or forward? Very nice. And this one, very nice, very nice, very nice, students. So your answer is correct. So one thing I need to explain you, that are that means modulus are remainder. So students, if I divide, listen very carefully, if I divide uh, 31 by 2, if I divide 31 by 2, so what is the answer, students? I think you will. If I ask the question, what is the remainder if I divide 31 by 2? Can anybody tell what is the remainder? Can anybody tell? I ask remainder, sir. I ask remainder. If 31 is 1, very nice, very nice, very nice. So, so in Java, you get remainder by this symbol, 31, and you will write modulo. This one, this symbol is of modulo. uh, this and this. Okay, and this. So 31 modulo 2, you will get answer how much? How much, students? Array, I said remainder. This is a symbol of remainder. 1. Very nice. So the answer will be, the answer will be 1. Very nice. This is not a symbol of division. This is a symbol of modulo. Okay, modulo. So students, as I explained to you that binary, that means the binary operator means the operator which works on two operand. So students, can you say me, can you tell me that arithmetic operator works on two operand? Is it correct or not? If I ask how many operands works on that means arithmetic operator, so what you will give the answer? If I ask on how many operand the mathematical operator, yeah, or arithmetic operator works, then what you will give the answer? Can anybody tell? You don't know? Mathematical arithmetic operator works on two operand. You don't know this thing? Wow, what you are thinking? What you are? I'm very disappointed by getting this answer. I ask simple that how many operands are used in the arithmetic operator. So you will tell, sir, it cannot work on single operand. It work on two operand. So that means the arithmetic operator comes to the binary operator. It comes under binary operator. Is it clear or not? Is it clear, students? Okay, next come to the students. Next come one addition operator. I did you subtraction operator. You know that is x minus y. Division. Let me tell you the division operator in Java. This is very important. Okay, because it will have some, because it will have some concept. Suppose students, if I divide 38 by 5. What is the answer, students? 38 divided by 5. What is the answer of this one? 38 divided by 5. See the screen here. See the screen. Look the screen and tell the answer. 3. 38 divided by 5. 3. Is this remainder sign? No. Is this remainder sign? Is this remainder sign? Who are you? Who is telling the answer? Is this remainder sign? Oh, okay, someone is saying 7.6. 7 and someone is saying 7. Okay, so students, let me clear to you. If you divide integer by integer, listen very carefully, otherwise 100% in your future you will do wrong. If you divide integer by integer, then the answer will be in integer. Okay, are you listening to me or not? So this is integer, so integer by integer give the answer in integer. So if you divide this one, then you are getting an answer 7.6. Okay, so but 7.66 is the real number, is a fraction number. This is not integer. Then Java said take the integer part. So what is the integer part? 7. So answer will be 7. Right now, is it clear? Clear or not? If Okay, so if I ask, tell me the answer of this one. 47 divide by 4. Tell me the answer. Eleven. Very nice. If I ask 47 modulo 4, then tell me the answer. This one. What? 3. 3. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So I think this concept is clear. Next one. If you divide fractional number by fractional number, the fractional means that means real number. Real number matlab means the number which is in the points. Suppose I divide 3.0 divide by uh, 1 point, one, not 1 point, let me take some another example, uh, so that your confusion can be solved. If I take 4 point, this is point 4.0 divide by 2, what is the answer? What is the answer, students? 4.2. Acha, someone is saying 2 and someone is saying 2.0. So just remember my rule. The rule is, Java said, if you divide any fractional or any fractional number by integer, or integer by fractional number, or fractional by integer number, then you will get answer in fractional. Then you will get the answer in the fraction. So that means 4.0 divided by 2, the answer will be 2.0, not answer 2. What is the answer? Very nice, very nice. So students, that means if I say 4.0 divided by 2.0, what is the answer? 4.0 divided by 2.0. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. I said to you, fractional, just write my concept. Fractional divide by fractional, you get the answer fractional. Fractional divide by integer, you get the answer in fractional. Integer divide by fractional, you get answer in fractional. Integer by integer, you get answer in integer. This is the concept. That's it. That's it, students. Okay? Okay? Is it okay? Okay, next come, let me do some other thing. Students, if I do unary plus and unary minus, and students, can you tell me what are unary plus and unary minus? These are comes to binary, that means which category? Unary operator, no? They all come in unary operator. Unary plus minus. I think you people are confusing right now. Can I explain it? Okay, suppose students, if I have written x equal to 2, and I am writing, good morning, if I am writing minus x, so 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 this minus operator, listen, this minus operator is working on single operand. Are you able to see this? This minus operator is working on how many operators? This minus operator works on single operand. So I said to you, if a operator works on single operand, then it is called unary operator. Is it clear? So that's why this minus is called unary operator. Is it clear? Unary operator. Is it clear to you? So so students, unary, this is unary, and if I say plus x, so this plus is also work on single operand. Can you say this or not? So if a operator works on single operand, then it is called unary operator. So plus, so we will discuss in the later class, in the next class. So I think you people understand the unary operator, binary operator, and the addition operator and division and modulo. Are you people understanding division and modulo completely? Division and modulo you people understand or not? So students, thank you for joining, and we will meet on tomorrow. And also I will send, achha, one more thing for class 10th, you all will watch my videos, because this will clear your concept more and more. Okay, okay students. So thank you so students, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for